it's Febzpassion. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be playing with my eyebrows today. We're gonna be testing out a product. So today the product that we're going to be testing out is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel that claims that it lasts for 2 days and also claims that it has a formula that adheres to brow for a no hassle wear, does not transfer, does not smudge, and it is also waterproof. And this is in the shade of 260 Deep Brown. It has instruction on how to apply this product. It contains a soft brush like this to apply the product on your eyebrow. Also contains a tiny little spoolie to brush out your brows and the product. Contains 6.8 ml. So I'm off for 2 days, so I'm glad, because at least if I mess this thing up, at least I don't have to show up and show my face to the public. Just to tell you guys, I haven't been plucking my eyebrows at all because I'm going for a natural bushy brow this year. And I know some of you guys have said that my natural eyebrows look so nice, and thank you so much for saying that, because I really don't like my eyebrows when I don't have anything on it. This is my natural eyebrows, and as you can see, I have sparse area. My eyebrows needs a lot of plucking, but I'm not gonna do that. I am really sad that this doesn't have any eyebrow brush on it except for a spoolie. But you know what? We're gonna do it the way Maybelline Studio does it, and there's an instruction in it. I have to remove the excess stuff from the tip as I was instructed in the packaging. Alright, let's do that. Look how cute this is. It says there that I have to start at the mid-brow. Wait.
Short, smooth strokes starting from mid-brow and then fill and blend towards the side of the brow.
Okay, this is not even that pointy. This isn't pointy. That's not gonna help me create an accurate eyebrow shape. Mid-brow, I'm starting at the mid-brow. Oh, my shoulder is so sore today. So far, that doesn't look good. Why do they not have any angled brush? How am I supposed to create sharp line? Oh, no. And I just want to show you guys how this is going to work with just what I was given in the packaging. If you do have angle brush, if you want to do that, then go ahead. Look at this. I think I like it. I like it. Let's not get too excited. And it says blend it in towards the inner part of the brows. Don't go blurry on me. Oh. It smells like a strong foundation. I'm just going very, very light right here. Oh, brush, blend it. What do you think? The applicator, I feel like it's purposely for a softer look than a sharp, defined look. So I'm just constantly brushing the product as I go along. That's what I have created, and I feel like I can still see a bit of patch right there. And I'm gonna try and fill that in. The next eyebrow then. Alright, focus on me. Sorry guys if I am not making as much silly face as I used to, because I've changed. That's not me anymore. I have a dot right there, it's out of the track. Ah! I know how to solve that. Nope. Kind of solved it. But it's easy to remove as well if you make a mistake, so which is really good. Why do I keep making dots? Brush a bit of it. This is exhausting. They don't look even. Oh, but it's pretty though. It's okay. As everybody would say, eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. It doesn't dry up as fast as I thought it would, but it's really good because at least if you make a mistake, you can just quickly rub it off. Nice and soft. Feel like it still has a patch, and that's it's getting a bit hard to blend. I'm not making it look any better. I think I'm just gonna have to try and leave it to that, because if I do more, then it's gonna look worse. I feel like I look like a boy. I try to cover up mistakes. The more I covered it up, the more mistakes I was creating. The purpose of this product is to create fuller looking brows, which I think I have succeeded on, and I do really look like I have full looking eyebrows. we're gonna test this out for 2 days, so we shall see how long this product lasts on my eyebrow. This is what the product looks like on my brows right now. I like it. I really do. So I just did my skincare routine. This is me trying to not touch my eyebrows with any makeup remover because I use oil-based makeup remover that takes off everything, even the waterproof one. So I tried not to touch my eyebrows with that makeup remover, and I kind of touched a little bit at the bottom right here, and you can see that some of it came off. I put water on it and literally it did not come off. Had soap on it and also had water, warm water, and it didn't come off. So there it is. As you can see, I just had a shower, like a warm shower. This is me trying to avoid having soap on my eyebrows or anything. I had a warm, hot shower and it literally removed everything on my eyebrows. Like I can see a little bit of, you know, little chunks, just little tiny chunks of eyebrow product on my eyebrows, but as you can see, it's gone. It's all gone. So I don't think it lasts for 2 days unless you don't take a shower or anything, but it says in the packaging that it is waterproof, but unfortunately I had a shower and it came off. Probably wouldn't recommend this one because it doesn't do what it claims to do in the packaging. Just for an everyday use you can use it, but definitely not for 2 days because it definitely comes off after the next day. So that's the video for today. Hope to see you in my next video and thanks for watching. Bye.